If you're seeing a Steam HTTP error 503, that usually means the problem is not on your computer, but on Steam's side. In most cases, Steam servers are overloaded, temporarily down for maintenance, or blocking requests during busy times like major sales or game launches. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the fastest fixes you can try to get Steam working again. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes. Let's get started. First, check whether Steam is down for everyone. Before changing anything on your PC, it's a good idea to confirm if the issue is a server outage. Open your browser and visit a site like steamstat.us to see the current Steam server status. If Steam is experiencing problems globally, there may be nothing wrong with your device at all. In that case, the best move is simply to wait and try again later. If you notice that the error started during a big sale or a high traffic event, give it a few minutes and refresh. Steam can become overloaded when too many users are trying to log in, browse the store, or launch downloads at the same time. A short wait is often enough for the servers to stabilize. Sometimes the simplest fix is just trying again after the traffic drops. Next, fully restart the Steam client. Don't just close the window, make sure Steam is completely exited. You can do this by right-clicking the Steam icon in the system tray and choosing Exit, or by ending the process from Task Manager if needed. Once Steam is fully closed, reopen it and sign back in. A fresh restart can clear temporary connection issues and force Steam to establish a clean session. If the error continues, disable any proxy settings on your computer. Proxies can interfere with how Steam connects to its servers, and that can trigger HTTP errors like 503. Go into your network or internet settings and make sure no proxy is enabled unless you specifically need one. If you're using a VPN, it can also help to turn that off temporarily and test Steam again. Now let's flush your DNS, which can help fix stale network information. Open Command Prompt as an administrator, then type ipconfig/flush DNS and press Enter. This clears old DNS cache entries and forces your system to request fresh network data. After that, restart Steam and check whether the error is gone. This step is quick, safe, and often useful when network errors keep repeating. After that, check your firewall and antivirus settings. Sometimes security software blocks Steam or parts of its connection, especially if it thinks the traffic looks unusual. Make sure Steam is allowed through your firewall and not being restricted by your antivirus. If you have recently changed security settings, this is a very important thing to verify. Steam needs stable access to the internet in order to load store pages, connect to servers, and update properly. Another helpful fix is clearing Steam's web browser data. A stale session cookie can sometimes confuse the server and make it think your request is part of a bottleneck or invalid session. To do this, open Steam settings, go to in-game, scroll all the way down, and click Delete Web Browser Data. This forces Steam to build a fresh login handshake with the server, which can resolve persistent 503-related issues. After clearing the data, restart Steam and sign in again. At this point, if Steam still shows the error, go back and test again after a little while. Since Steam HTTP error 503 is often a server-side issue, the problem may simply need time to resolve on its own. The good news is that these steps cover the most common causes, from server overload to local network conflicts and cached session data. If this video helped you fix Steam HTTP error 503, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.